Welcome back to iOS Essential. In this video, I will show you how to enable Reader in Safari. So first, you want to go to Safari. So on the toolbar, you should have this button right here. Click it, Show Reader. I already have it enabled, but just in case you don't have it enabled, you go to Website Setting, click Website Setting, in the top, Use Reader when available. You click that. Click off. Let's do it again. Click here. Show Reader. And it brings you up to a nice, sleek, stylish magazine type interface. So this will eliminate pop-ups and any distractions on the website that pops up. It will eliminate it here. So this is a good feature to have if you like to read on the website. So you scroll up, I'll show you something else. You click this again, and then it's themes. You click it, white, beige, gray, and black. It just changed the background and the text, or the back of the text. I like this one. It stands out a little bit more. Font, if you want to change a font like this, you can change it. Let's keep it New York. Zoom, if you want it a little bit closer, let's go to 150. Fine. Not sure what that is. It just went off. And plus, it'll give you a summary on the right hand side of the page that you're on. So I'll show you guys again. Oh, and hold up, I'll show you guys now. Click on this, show Reader. If you want to get off of this, instead of coming back here and then clicking this button, you click anywhere on the page and it'll get you back to the original page. So look, bam. It went to the original page. I'll show you again. Go on the toolbar, click here, show Reader. If you don't have it, then go to Website Settings and make sure it's checked. Use Reader when available. So if you're on a website that has the Reader, it's a good feature to have if you like to read. So this is yeah, just breaks everything down. Yeah, it looks nice and clean. Different themes, the font, the zoom, that's also a good feature. Yeah, that was it for Safari Reader. Click and like, subscribe for weekly content. This is a Mac tutorial. I'm gonna have more coming out soon with iOS and iPad. I can't wait to 26 comes out in 2 months or next month. Be safe, take care, and God bless. Peace.